Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate the utilisation report. To do this, you're going to click on the reports menu and under other, click on utilisation. This report is helpful when reviewing your utilisation or vacancies for a room or across your service. You can generate this report from the display of utilisation numbers or from vacancies. You can leave the rooms filter blank or you can select one or more rooms. Generate your date range and click search. It's going to show your overall vacancies or utilisation and your total licensed versus operational numbers. If you require any further information in regards to your utilisation report, please do not hesitate to reach out to our Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.